Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives.
Hi, I'm trying to think of what day it is for y'all so I can say hi, happy, insert whatever day it is. Happy Friday. I believe that is the correct day. I just posted a video on my vlog channel of my favorites for the month of November. So there's a pile of stuff in the living room that doesn't belong in here. The kitchen is a mess. There's just two of us living here, so when I say mess, y'all will kind of get what I mean when you see it. It is messy, but it's like that everyday mess, kind of things that just pile up on you if you go a day without cleaning. Speaking of piles, I have probably 2 loads of laundry that needs to be folded. I wanted to show her because y'all always ask me how Chloe's doing. She's great. This weather, on the other hand, is wet, rainy, so we have just kind of been taking it easy this whole December so far. But we're going to get up, be productive, get some cleaning done. My goal is to just clean the kitchen and the living room. That way we can function a little bit better in here. And before I do any of that, I'm going to show y'all a grocery haul. So you just saw a grocery haul on Wednesday. That was filmed a week ago. Whenever I do brand deals, normally those videos are filmed well in advance. So it's already been a week since then. So we have another grocery haul to show you. So I'm going to insert that here and then we'll go ahead and get into the cleaning. Alright, so here's that pile of stuff I was talking about that needs to be moved. The laundry. Got a situation going on right there. Got a good amount of dishes that need to be done, including what's in the sink. And then I've kind of got a little pile right here. Plus, all the trash over there. So that is what we're about to tackle. If you need some cleaning motivation, hopefully this will help.
Trying to be tough all the daytime.
Alright, so the grocery haul is going to be at the end of this video. I'm also talking quietly because it is 7 o'clock in the morning on Friday. Hi. I'm editing this on the same day that you're seeing it, but I had already edited it before I realized that I said I was going to put the grocery haul at the beginning. So it's at the end of the video, but yeah. Let's just get into the laundry.
You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. Make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on, shoot me down. I will always get up again.
And if you like videos like this, I am wanting to reach 13,000 subscribers, so I would love it if you would subscribe and help me get there.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, I know. Keep coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the moves, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. Ocean in between us, still I feel your heartbeat. There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, I know. Coming back for your time after time.
Now that the laundry is all put away, I'm going to tackle this kitchen. This is what we consider a mess because there is just two of us, but it is pretty messy for our household anyways.
Yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. And the world is going wild when they come for you. And the river's running dry when it all falls through. Don't you worry about a thing, baby, I got you. Yeah, baby, I got you.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow colder. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. Been here 1,000 times. Set up a stage of lies. Say we're done, say it's over. Shouldn't be coming back, but somehow we connect.
If you have to hand wash your dishes, you already know this took me 20 minutes to do. We didn't even have that many dishes to do. As you can see, it was just like a lot of plates and pots and pans, but we had probably a week's worth of silverware that was dirty because neither one of us like to wash silverware. So I'm just going to get all of these dishes cleaned up and then get the sink cleaned out.
It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. keep lighting fires. The words repeat cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Let my hurts come like when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Let my hurts come like when I'm with you.
Tell me something I haven't heard before. Cause I'm restless and I'm dying to know more. Show me something I haven't seen before. Cause I'm tired of the same boats, the same shore. It's time, my friend, to leave this hell behind us. We got everything we need to make a change. I can't keep pretending I'm right where I wanna be. I'm hopelessly in need of better days. Cause I'm too young to face the end, but I'm old enough to start again. And yeah, still got time. The world has tried to pin me down, but I'm running at the speed of light. And yeah, still got time. Yeah, still got time. Give me something worth fighting for. Cause my heartbeat has been silent for too long. Tell me one thing, are you happy, are you satisfied? I know that you know when you're done. It's time, my friend, to leave this hell behind us. We got everything we need to make a change. I can't keep pretending I'm right where I wanna be. I'm hopelessly in need of better days. Cause I'm too young to face the end, but I'm old enough to start again. And yeah, still got time. The world has tried to pin me down, but I'm running at the speed of light. And yeah, still got time. Blood's running through my veins, still got a little time in me. Won't let it go to waste. Oh, there's power in my bones, still got a little time in me. I'm never coming home. Cause I'm too young to face the end, but I'm old enough to start again. And yeah, still got time. The world has tried to pin me down, but I'm running at the speed of light. And yeah, still got time. Yeah, still got time.
Here's our grocery haul for this week. It's a lot of convenient food. Okay, let's go ahead and just get into it. We got a thing of bread for sandwiches. I got one of these barbecue boneless patties, and then one of these Salisbury patties. Got 2 boxes of dog food for Chloe. These are pretty good. This is the Jack's sausage and pepperoni. And then we got a Supreme. Got some buttermilk for ranch. We got red kidney beans, 2 cans of corn, 2 cans of green beans. These are awesome. If y'all have not tried these, we got all this from Walmart. These are so good, especially if you have an air fryer. So we got 2 boxes of those, and that's what we got the ranch packets for. Here's the ham to go on sandwiches and the sliced cheese. We got a few things of these loaded baked mashed potatoes. They're really good. Got some spicy brown mustard to go on sandwiches, French vanilla, coffee creamer, 2 Dr. Thunders, and then it was cheaper to buy this big box because they were out of the Great Value brand. So we got this, and it comes with 3 packages, and it was around $7, which is crazy to say, but it is what it is. Anyways, got some pepperonis just to, you know, if you want to put them on sandwiches or add some to the pizzas. And then for like coffee and donuts, we got these glazed honey buns. So all of this was, I think, $98. So not terrible, but also not great. Aaron was saying, I remember when I could have like filled up a whole counter full of stuff for $100. Like, oh, hopefully we get those days back eventually. But we're happy with what we got and very grateful that we have another week's worth of groceries. So there's always something to be thankful about. Alright, there's our grocery haul. Alright guys, that is it for me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. That was a ton of dishes that took me forever. The next time you see me, we will probably, well, we will get to the laundry. I really need to clean out my fridge, but it's that time of the month. I don't know that I mentioned that. I might have. So I'm just kind of taking it easy and getting things done at a like slower pace. So next time you see me, we will get some more stuff done, and who knows what else it's going to be in that video. So stick around, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.